Hello, at Binhex we have developed a new feature that allows importing BC3 files and automatically generating budgets. To learn more, we hope you stay to this tutorial. Let's begin. We enter in the sales module, we go to the BC3 section, and here we can find the imported budgets either in budget status or already confirmed orders. We go to import, we just go to import BC3, upload our file, select it. Now the customer or vendor, we select it, and the invoicing policy. And now we just have to click on import. So right now, once the budget is generated, Odoo detects the chapter and the specific code previously created. So now creates a product template that is associated with a specific unit of measurement. We can also configure the taxes to appear by default every time we use this product template. Now that the budget is done, we just have to save and confirm. Now we are going to generate the invoice or certification. So we just have to click on Create Invoice BC3. We select the chapter we want to certify. In my case, it will be the first one, and we just have to go and click on Import. Now we will go to the invoice, and here we can edit the quantity we want to certify for each item. In my case, I will put here 1, also right here, and the rest I will just leave it. So we have to save and confirm. So now if we go back to the order, we can see in the invoiced column that what we have invoiced so far. This is fully certified, but what we can see is that in the quantity that is in blue, we can continue certifying. So let's do a second certification. We go to Create Invoice, we select the first one, import, we go to the invoices, go to the second one. We can see and certify that this is all done, so we just have to go and confirm. And we can go to the invoices, and we can see that the first chapter is fully certified. Let's now do the third certification with the second chapter. So we go to Create Invoice, and we select the only chapter we have because this first one we already certified. So we go on Import, and here I will just certify it full. So we just have to go and save. And now we can see that we have 3 invoices. Now we click on the third one. We see that it's fully certified, the quantity we want to certify, and now we just confirm. Okay, so now we go to the invoices, and we can see that we have 3 that are the first ones, the chapter 1 and the chapter 2 that we have already certified full. This is the end of our tutorial, and I hope it has been helpful. Remember to give us a like, subscribe, and activate the ring.